Welcome back to another video, baby. My name is Marcus. You can call me Crispy Marcus. Thank you so very much for showing all the love and support on my previous videos. Anyways, you see the title, you see the thumbnail, and you also see that this brand new RT that we got a little over 600 miles ago is still window tint list. There is still not window tint on it. So you guessed it, even though you already knew because you saw the title on the thumbnail, but we are getting the car tinted today. And I, for one, can't wait. You can probably already guess where we're going to get it tinted because we've gotten our cars tinted at this same place for the past like 3 or 4 cars that I've had. I've had way too many cars. But anyways, I will talk to y'all when we get there. Let me know if y'all trying to see more Camaro content because I'm trying to bring y'all some, but I don't know if y'all would even watch it or enjoy watching it. Let me know. Let's just reset this. I haven't really gotten on it. Let's just reset that and check that. 283 range and 706. So if they drive it, we'll know. Beautiful, and it was all for the low price of this. I got some stuff back here.